Hey everyone, welcome to my Binance Pay review. Check the description for links. Today, we're diving into its features, who it's for, and how it performs for crypto payments. Binance Pay, from the massive crypto exchange Binance, offers secure, versatile crypto payments. Send and receive crypto globally with zero fees, making it a great option for fast, affordable transfers. It supports tons of cryptos, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB, so you can pay and get paid in your favorite coins. The interface is super user-friendly. Just scan a QR code or enter an email to send. Receiving payments is just as easy, perfect for individuals and businesses. Plus, real-time notifications keep you updated on every transaction. Want to spend your crypto? Binance Pay integrates with the Binance ecosystem, letting you pay merchants directly. More and more places accept it every day. This app is for anyone wanting to send, receive, or spend crypto without high fees or complicated setups. Already use Binance for trading? Binance Pay is a natural extension for everyday crypto spending. Zero fees, wide crypto support, and seamless Binance integration make it perfect for casual users and active traders managing their digital assets. Bottom line, Binance Pay is a reliable, easy-to-use crypto payment app. It's secure, low-cost, and flexible. Whether you're paying a friend or a business, Binance Pay makes integrating crypto into your everyday life simple.